Hi students, welcome back. So now coming to another concept, that is try with resource statement. So this resource statement, whatever here you using, it can reduce, it helps in reducing the code by adding the predefined methods in a program. Okay, so this concept, whatever I am explaining, this concept is alternate method. Alternate to finally block. Whatever the finally block I explained in the previous video, so this is an alternate method to that finally block. Try with resource statement. So what is this? It allows to write a resource with try block. Whatever the try block is there, so a try block consisting of some resources, it allows to write some resources here with the try block. A Java class that implements java.io.closable interface or java.land.autoclosable only can be used as a resources. Only they can be used as a resources. So see here, this is a syntax try resource. So far we didn't mention the arguments here, but here you can write the resource. To reduce the code, you can write the resource within the try block. So this resources is closed automatically. Okay, it is closed automatically when exception occurs. When exception occurs in the program. So whenever an exception is occur in the program, in this task, the controller will jump to the catch block, right? So whenever an exception is occur, these resources, whatever it is there, it is automatically closed. Automatically closed. Now let's see a program to demonstrate the try with resource statement. A try with resource statement. So this program helps us to reducing the code. Try with resource, reduce the code. How it is going to reduce the code? By adding some predefined methods. Predefined methods in a program. By adding some predefined methods in a program, we can reduce the code. Okay, this concept is alternate to the final block I said. Now let's see the program. Import java.io.star, class is loaded, open press executed, main method called. So the main method is throwing exception. So try. So here in the resource, I'm just calling a resource. What is that resource? File input stream file s is equal to new file input stream argument s. Means I'm within the try block only, within the try only, I'm trying to open a file for reading. Open a file for reading. So after reading the file, suppose if any exception is occurred here, automatically this will be closed. The file whatever I opened is automatically closed. That is what I said. The try with resources is auto closable. Auto closable. So it automatically closed whenever an exception is occurs in the program. So that's why try. I'm not writing file close here, because whenever you have to insert write within the try. So the argument is file input stream for FIS is equal to new file input stream. Previously what I said, what I written try block. So here I had written the file input stream, all those things. But now here within this, here only I am writing. So whenever exception is occurred, this will be closed. Okay, I open the file for reading. So enter into the task. Okay. So whatever the file that I opened, I check the availability. Means available size. It is going to check the size of a file. Check the size of a file. So whenever that file size is of bytes, because byte of B, which is used to store the data on RAM. The RAM size. Okay. So whatever the availability size, that will be allocated memory. Allocates memory in RAM. Allocates memory in RAM. Okay, after allocating the memory in RAM, that data I need to be read. So where is the data? It is in file input stream. FIS.read. Okay, I had written the data. But whatever I had written, that read the data, not written. Whatever the data I had read, that is of bytes. But the arguments that I passed is of string type. Now convert. System.out.println new string of B. So whatever the data which is of bytes will be converted into string that is going to be printed. So the string class can be called directly. New string I can call directly. So this is a program to demonstrate it with try with resource. See here, the previous program whatever I explained is of 2 pages size, but here within 1 page I had completed the program. This statement I had included within the try only, and FIS dot available I directly written here only. Okay, and I am not creating an object, directly I am calling the class. Okay, so this concept is an alternative to a finally block, and this feature whatever I am using here is introduced in JDK 1.7 version in 2011. Suppose if more than one resources is there, then use the syntax. If suppose more than one resources are there, try resource 1 comma resource 2. So this is colon, this is resource 2, so on. So you can use the multiple resources within the try also, no problem. If more than one resources is there, then you can use this syntax. Okay. So I hope you understand it. Still, if you are facing any doubts, please let me know. Thank you.